Hello Python programmer, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we talk about how can we make a password generator using Python. So let's have a look. We already create a file in my sublime text. So here is it. So named as passgen.py. So the idea behind this password generator is we have to put the letter, punctuation and digit and combine it and consist a password. So let's have a import the string, and we have to import the random because we have to generate the password in randomly. And let's import the Streamlit because we are going to make a web application. So let's define a function, not a function here, it's method. Okay, so let's say st.title, let's say password generator, let's say generator. Let's add a subheader. Let's say build with Python and Streamlit. Okay, so let's make our consist of string dot, let's say ASCII letter, then also consisting of string, let's say string dot punctuation mark plus also string dot digit. Okay, so let's input value from a user. Okay, so let's st dot, that's a number input. So let's say enter the password, and let's say password. Okay, password length. Okay, and you also make it as integer. Let's say typecasting here. So let's generate our password. Okay, here's the logic. So first join this as a random dot choice from consistent consist. So let's iterate it as a random value range. Let's say not random, let's say range. Okay, in range, let's say random dot radiant 0, pass the first integer as 0 and the value. So this password consists between 0 and let's say user input 16. Okay, so this password should be 8 character, should be 9 character, it should be 2 character, or it should be the 16 character, but not out of range. Okay, so let's make a button here. Okay, st.button. So when the user click the button here, you generate a password. Okay, so let's print the password here. Let's say success. Let's make a fstring. So let's say password is, here's the curly brackets, and let's say format and pass the password here. Okay, we can also use a clip. Okay, for copying the password. Let's say clip, and we click the generate button, it also be generated and also be let's say also be copied in our clipper boot. Okay, so clip dot, let's say copy and pass the password over here, and let's say hint message, let's say success, let's say password copied successfully, password copy it successfully. Okay, so let's call our method over here. So let's say if name equal, let's say name, and call the function over here, not a function here, it's method. Okay, so let's save it and go to our directory where the Python file is located, and type cmd in our terminal. So let's say streamlit run, let's say passgen.py. .py. It's open in our local host, so be patient. Okay, it's take time, little bit time. If your system is speed, so it's take not a little bit time, but in my case I use CPU, so it's take a little bit time. Okay, so it's opening. I think it's open in our default browser, so in my case is Firefox. Okay, so it's opening. Yeah, password generator built with Python and Streamlit. So let's say enter the password length. So let's say 12, generated password is this one. Okay, it generate only 3 values. So let's say let's click on it again. It's generated 2, not 2, 1. So this time it generated this one. So password copied successfully. Let's say click another one. Let's say 16, and the password copied successfully. So let's check it, is it copy or not. So Control B. So here is the password. Okay, so congratulations guys, you make a password generator. So thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe my channel and must hit the bell icon for never miss an update. Thank you, and stay safe and stay tuned.